everyone, my name is Luis. Today we talk about kind of foods. So let's start. Vegetables. One type of food that nearly everyone eats every day is the food group called vegetables. Some vegetables grow underground, including root vegetables like potatoes, yams, carrots, turnips, and beetroot, as well as pulse like onion and garlic. Green vegetables often include leaf vegetables like spinach and cabbage, as well as certain legumes like peas and string beans. Many vegetables have seeds inside, and the best known of these include pumpkin, squash, eggplant, and the many kinds of pepper like the green pepper, jewel pepper, and the bell pepper are customs salad vegetables such as lettuce and cucumber are eaten raw, while other vegetables including cauliflower, mushrooms, and steamed vegetables like asparagus and celery can be eaten either raw or cooked. So I have some examples: beetroot, carrot, cabbage, cucumber, celery, eggplant, mushroom, onions, garlic, lettuce, peas, potato, pumpkin. And the next one is fruits. Another important type of food is fruit. Fruit contains seeds or a stone, and they can be eaten raw after becoming ripe. Some of the most popular and delicious fruits are tropical fruits like pineapples, bananas, mangoes, papayas, and mangosteens. There are also many delicious tropical fruits that grow in slightly cooler climates, like the Middle East. Olives, figs, dates, and grapes have been eaten for thousands of years in the Middle East, either as fresh foods or dry foods, like the various kind um, of dry we now can call raisins, sultanas, and currants. Fruit that can grow in ever colder climates are called temperate fruits. They include apples and pears, as well as stone fruits like apricots, plums, peach, cherries, and avocados. I have some examples: apple, avocado, banana, fig, cherry, blackberry, grapes, green olive, lemon, mangosteen, orange, passion fruit, pineapple, and tomato. And the next one is beans, bean, and nuts. Gains, gains are seed from classes called cereal that were first solely certified over 9,000 years ago. Beans, like grains. Beans are eddy seeds, but beans are usually bigger than grains and come from flowering plants instead of gash. Nuts. Nuts are hard, dry fruit with a woody outer covering that has to be cracked open to get the edible seed inside. So we have some examples of almonds, black-eyed peas, bread, breakfast, cereal, cashew nuts, coffee bean, and meat and poultry. Meat in the modern supermarket. Um, we see the same meats, although the cuts may have changed. Today, cuts of beef include tossed-bite, spare ribs, and steaks like fillet and T-bone steak, as well as a varied cuts of veal. Poultry. Birds keep as poultry include chickens, ducks, geese, and turkeys, whose birds can be boiled or roasted. And then I have some food about meat and poultry is pakan, beef spare ribs, beef toast bite, chicken, and duck, fillet steak. And next one is fish and seafood. Fish are an important source of protein that can be eaten raw, as in Japanese sashimi, or kept for future use by being picked, as in picked herring, by being smoked, as in smoked salmon, or by being canned, and as in canned tuna. Seafood. Many other sea creatures can also be eaten, including some with an outer shell you have to remove before getting to sharp flesh inside. This type of seafood includes lobsters, crabs, crayfish, prawns, and shrimp. And I have some examples: crab, crayfish, fillet of snapper, crab, lobster, salmon, roe. And dairy foods is the last one. People have been raising animals like horse, camels, goats, sheep, and cows for thousands of years. They were raised for meat and skins as well as for milk. If if female animals were producing milk to feed the young people, could also drink it if they milk the animals. Milk, cream in bottle, cheese. Other dairy foods is um, ice cream, Italian gelato, and yogurt. And some food is butter, bread, soft cheese, cheddar cheese, Edam cheese, milk, mozzarella cheese. And that is all for my video for today. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye bye.